In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on TradeZero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeZero.com, which is their official website, and you want to hover over the trade button up top and click on free paper trading. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where again, you want to click on start paper trading over here. And this is where you actually have to register for a paper trading account. So put in all the info required over here: first name, last name, country, your phone number, your email, and then the password you want to use. And then you want to click on the next button, and then eventually after you register and sign up, you'll get the access to this client portal over here. Now on the client portal over here, it's going to say this environment is designed for paper trading. Then you can go ahead and to start paper trading, hover over trade up top, click on it and click on launch zero web. And when you do this here, it's going to take you to a separate page, which is basically their web trader here. And this is where you can go ahead and start trading with your paper trading version of your account. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.